Picking up here on bodywork. Working on the firewall. I've got it all blended in. That's done with a high build primer now. I can give it a final sand. And I can probably let the base coat fly on that soon. See if I can get up top here and show you on the dash. So where I filled in the old speaker vent, I'm just working on that right now. This is probably my third hit here. Just making sure everything's perfectly smooth. That'll all be ground down tonight. Then I can spray, sorry for the noise, then I can spray the whole front. That includes the cowl and dash. And when I get that done, that can go on the frame. Today did not go as well as I'd hoped. I got the paint down, unfortunately I ran out. And then when I did the firewall, there was some things I just wasn't happy with. Of course, you don't see them all under primer. Add some shine to it, and yeah, didn't like it. So I sanded and got a bit more bodywork going on. Gonna hit it with some high build primer, give it one last sand, and round two soon enough. Been spending a bit of time doing the bodywork. If you can recall, this taillight lens kind of goes under the outside quarter, and you have a bit of a seam there. So a very thin coat was put on there, and down below where you see that joint inside here, you don't need to worry about because the lens covers that. So it's just this one spot. Got a couple of little pinholes here, but this is a first shot, and did quite well. I'll show you on this side, same thing. Managed to get that all done. Once again, didn't do there, but did down below. So just a little bit to finish up there. I'll take you around the side, show you the pillar I've been working on. So not a lot to do in an El Camino, just this joint right here. So that's kind of a couple of hits there. I've just got to work it out a bit more, and you can see the line. So I'll figure that one out and I'll blend in smooth. And then when the car's back in the frame, I'll start to tackle what I'm going to do up here on the drip rail. Hey Wolfie, you're on video. All right, so car's up. Can now get this wood cradle taken apart. That'll leave the car suspended. And what I've used is a rotisserie, just flipped everything upside down with some straps so we can come down front and back, get it on the frame. Okay, we're floating. Oh, the nerves. Okay, so well, now we're gonna start coming down. We can get down like, you know, a couple inches from, at least we're not as far as we fall. And then we'll shimmy the frame or the chassis to where we need to be. Okay. Yep.
The frame needs to come to you about at least 2 inches to clear the sills.
Okay, it's on the ground. Body's on the frame. Right now what I'm working on is I'm going to Raptor liner the inside cabin area. I'll come around here just though I needed to get the firewall done before I could get it on the frame because it's very hard to paint down below here. So this way it's all done. I'll mask all that off before I get going on more bodywork. But for now I've taped up all the front holes here so that I can Raptor line and not have anything come through. The color, in case you're wondering, I switched from the willow green that I had bought a gallon of paint for. Last minute decision, I went with Millennium Jade, which is a Nissan color, and in the sun it's got some pretty cool gold hues. I just thought it was a little cooler of a green. I'm not the biggest green fan in the first place, so I think this is a better compromise. It's kind of an interesting color all around, so should look really good when it's all painted with some black accents, the silver and black motor. I think it's going to look really cool.